Abhishek Sharma. Can we have you on stage, please? Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you. Oh, all right. Biggest Shauqeen, I don't know. Certainly not. Thank you, Riza, for reconfirming that. So, but yeah, film mein banane ka shauq hai, and this was really out of the blue, literally, because I remember that December day when Tishu bhai called me, Tigmanshu Dhulia, like you know him, he just called me and he was like, "Kya kar rahe ho?" And I was editing Tere Bin Laden 2, jo main pichle 4 saal se bana raha hu. So he told me that there is this film, and he wanted me to see whether I wanted to, I was interested to do it. Half the thing was that he called me, so half the battle was won. I wanted to do it. Then I went, he narrated to me because he was writing, and apparently it's his first comedy that he has written. I liked the subject and I wanted to collaborate with him. Then Ashwin and Murad Bhai, who were the producers of this film, lovely people. And the icing on the cake was this lovely cast, all of them. Like I've been looking up to them all my life. Kher Saab, whether it was Saransh or Khosla Ka Ghosla, you know that I'm a big fan of your performance. Anji, you know that we have had those conversations about Vicky Donor, which was like a breakthrough performance that year. And I'm a huge fan ever since. Piyush Bhai, we have done 3 films together. Actually, Tere Bin Laden 1, Tere Bin Laden 2, and now this. I think hamara to pact hai, that we have to work on every film together. Lisa, no, I'm not a fan completely, but after this film maybe. But I saw you in Queen. You remember that conversation. I was seeing Queen for a different reason. Then I saw Lisa's performance, and that's where it all changed. We were all like, yes, that's the girl who should play this character. And of course, Sir, Akshay Sir, Mr. Kumar, huge fan of your comic timing, and finally we got to work together. So it was an honor, sir, collaborating with you too. I would now like to introduce my cast to you more formally. Oh, here's my another, another big hero, Mr. Anu Malik. We've collaborated on a track on this film with him, which I think very soon you will also hear. Sir, how are you doing? You missed the trailer, sir. Yeah, you will see it again. So I would like to call upon stage first Kher Saab. Please come. Clap. Thodi si decency, please. बदनाम कर दिया शौकीन बोल दिया तो they will not even clap now for us. माइक भी ऐसा दिया.
अरे हेलो प्रेस वाले हंसते भी नहीं है माइक भी नहीं माइक तो देते हैं और ताली नहीं मारते हैं एक्सपेक्ट मत करो एक्सपेक्ट मत करो इनसे आपकी दूसरी फिल्म है मेरी 487वीं फिल्म है तो ऐसा नहीं होने वाला बट ये सब शौकीन है हमारे इनको भी हमारे शौक हैं इसलिए इतनी मात्रा में यहाँ पर आए हैं और बहुत खुशी की बात है एंड आई थिंक for us, it's our tribute to the original Shauqeen, in a way, the legendary actors who participated in the film, who made this film a cult film, and hope we take it to further another 25 years, 30 years.
Yeah, I think we chatted on this. That
and the best part of this is that in the third part of Shauqeen, we'll still be 3 of us will still be working there.
Yeah, that's
we may come on a wheelchair over here, but and the best lifetime achievement award will be given by Lisa to me and to Anu and to Piyush Bhai.
I remember when I had come to meet you at your academy, when we were discussing the script at the earliest stage, Tishu Bhai also, me and you. That we wanted one thing. The story is completely different from the original Shauqeen. Only the premise is same. One thing that we wanted to retain was the flavor and the decency and aesthetics of that film. I think somewhere, we managed that, sir.
I think a great amount of credit for that goes to the writer of the film. I think he has, in today's time, in 2014 too, where running behind women is very passe kind of a thing. There are so many things which have happened in the last 30 years. But yes, the way he's put the film together, I think fantastic. And then the cast that you've collected. This is the first time 4 people from the National School of Drama, 5 people from the National School of Drama are going to be part of this film.
And they are top-lining the project. Like
and
3 main leads,
we would like to say that we all know our job. So I think there were plenty of reasons. And the most important reason was Akshay. I think Akshay with his Midas touch, I think brings in a certain amount of... I was initially thinking that Akshay will be playing himself, but I think hats off to him, the way he's gone about it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
More about that in a bit.
And Ashwin is a very dear reason. We've known each other for as long as my career is. He was a young boy at that time. He still is. He's shaped today. So.
Okay, now the next person that I'm calling on stage, I wanted to ask you because.
That's all. Mine is
नहीं नहीं
over.
सर हम हैं स्टेज पे
रोल इसके हिसाब से बांटा ना.
स्टेज पे रहोगे.
अच्छा,
I remember there was a 3 shot that we were shooting. Remember that? And I kept going focus on Piyush Bhai, focus shift to Anuji, focus shift on Piyush Bhai, and he just stopped it. Excuse me, I'm in the film too. What are you doing? You know?
Yeah, बार बोल रहे थे. Okay, focus on Piyush ji, focus on Anu Kapoor ji, focus. तो मैं भी साथ में खड़ा था. मैंने कहा मेरे पर कब आओगे?
सब already चमक रहे थे, तो focus की जरूरत नहीं थी. That's why I was.
कौन सी फिल्म है तुम्हारी?
Sir, third.
Oh, that's it.
So आपके साथ पहली है ना सर, तो सीख रहा हूँ. So now the second person, actually,
Yes.
I wanted to ask you because you have had a collaboration with him and relationship, working relationship with him. I think you shot Hum together. That was the
Also in Mauritius.
Also in Mauritius.
Yes.
So tell me, how was that experience and how is that? I mean, did you kind of?
You see, it's so amazing that when you are from the same shop, there is no reason for you to do Photoshop. So I think working with Anu I'm sure you're talking about
Yes,
Anu.
yes.
Hum was a great experience for us. We created iconic characters. The whole film was like that. And there are certain relationships in life which like a pause button on a tape recorder. You just have to press the same button. It starts from where you had left it. So I think Anu and we share the same kind of relationship.
Yeah, and what I loved in this
Are
film.
you expecting some different answers from you because you don't listen to my answers?
No, I do.
Okay.
Sir, they're so deep that I'm always analyzing when you're speaking and processing it. Takes time. So, I would like to call Anuji now on stage. And, sir, please, thank you.
ये जो ऐसे चढ़े इन्होंने एक्टिंग की है वरना ये उछल उछल के चढ़ते हैं हर जगह जस्ट बिकॉज ऐसा मत करो यार
So, Anuji, you tell us about your experience on this film. You don't do, what I learned from you is that you're very specific about the characters that you pick. We had this conversation when I came to you, when we were still working on the script, that you're very choosy about the projects that you do. And you're very anal about the characters. You go in deep research. There are many inputs that you gave for your own character and all that happened. So what was your experience in the nutshell on this?